Okay, so today I have with me the Universal Docking Station DX2 Dual 4K display from Allogic. And this is a docking station for your laptop. So if you have a home setup or a home office setup, you can use this and you can have all your peripherals plug into this docking station. And then this docking station can connect with just one cable to your laptop, and you can charge your laptop as well as use all those connected peripherals. So without any further delays, let's unbox this. So I got this from JB Hi-Fi today, and as you can see, the box is kind of beaten up, and the reason it's beaten up is because this was purchased by someone else and they didn't like it and they had returned it to the store, and I got it for a massive discount because this, if you go to JB Hi-Fi's website now, you can see this is listed for 399 Australian dollars, and guess how much I paid for this? I paid 189 Australian dollars. Initially, for the beaten box condition, they were saying they can only offer me 379 Australian dollars and the rest was discount, but I was like, well, the other stores in the vicinity, like in New South Wales, they're selling this for $200, and I found one who was selling it for 189 Australian dollars. So I was like, hey, can you do any better? You guys do price match, right? And they agreed and they price matched it for me, and now I have this for 189 Australian dollars only. I didn't pay $1 more than that. I'm currently having issues trying to cut this because I don't know. Okay, cool. This is now cut off, so I can take this out. I'm doing this behind the camera, so that's why it's very hard. Oh my God. Okay, I took it off camera, so I have this now. This should be fairly easy to open. Okay, let's do this. What do we have here? This is probably a manual. Yep, it is. Okay. So here we have the Allogic dock. We'll look at the back. Yep, all the ports. Let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, we have all the different cables for different countries. We also have a brick, because obviously you would need to power this dock in order to use it. So let's take it out of the box as well. Okay, so let's see what we get. So we have this brick, and this is going to be used to power the dock. So the end of this brick goes into your dock. You have this port in the corner right here. So you plug this in, and obviously you plug a cable like this, which comes in the box with you. You have to just find an outlet that works for your country, and then you just plug it in, and then this is all ready. And then you just plug the other end onto the wall, and then your dock is powered up. Then what you can do is you can connect your Ethernet port here. It can do gigabit internet, and it has 2 display port, and it supports 2 display ports at 4K 60 Hz. So that's good. You do have USB 3.0 right here, and you have this port right here, which does 65 watts of power delivery. And this will also charge your laptop. So just ensure you have a cable that connects this to your laptop, and it will be powering your laptop throughout the day. You won't lose any charge. You also have a couple of ports here. You have another USB 3.0. You have another Thunderbolt port here. You do have a button to power it on and off, and you also have a port for your 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can connect it directly to this. And ideally there should just be one cable going to your laptop. Currently my setup, if I can point it to you, like let me show you, there's a lot of cables right there, and as you can see in the corner there, that's my personal laptop. There's charger connecting, there is an HDMI, there's a Thunderbolt cable connecting, powering my displays, and there is a dongle where all the other cables are connected. So it's a mess, and you can see all the cables. So what I plan to do is revamp my setup using this, and hopefully I can connect everything here, and then there is only one cable going to my laptop. If you do ask me, it is going to be a challenge because I have this massive 48-inch display that I need to take off my desk and redo all the cable management. It's going to take some time, but what I'm going to do today is a Saturday, so I really plan to utilize my weekend and make my home office setup even better and even more ergonomic than it currently is. So I'm going to redo all the cablings, and hopefully this dock is going to take care of majority of the cables. It's not going to get rid of every one of them. It's just going to make it a tad bit cleaner, tad bit better, and then hopefully it's going to be much more simpler, and I can only have one cable connecting to my laptop so that I don't have to unplug many cables to take my laptop and then travel around with it. Because currently, if I need to take my laptop away from my home office and work from my couch, I have to unplug the MagSafe charger, I have to unplug the Thunderbolt cable that's powering my display, I also have to unplug my dongle, and the dongle has more peripherals connected to it because I use a lot of things and it all is connected connected to my laptop. So yeah, it's a mess at the moment. So I really need to make it cleaner so that I don't have to deal with too many cables, too many things unplugging from my laptop. So let's see how that goes. And I also do plan to remove the 48-inch monitor from my desk and utilize a 32-inch monitor with my curved gaming monitor as well. So I'm still gonna have two monitors on my desk, but removing the 48 massive screen and replacing that with a 32-inch screen, which I already have with me. So you can see that this is the current setup. That's my big 48-inch screen. And again, I'm not sitting too close. There is like appropriate distance that there needs to be. But yeah, this is a mess. And I'm planning that this stock that I got today is gonna help me get rid of majority of the cables from that end. And I think removing this massive display from my desk and replacing this with a 32-inch monitor is gonna take care of a lot of that. So that's what I plan to do. And let's see if that takes care of all the cable management issue. And again, as I said before, it's not gonna get rid of all the cables. It's gonna make it a little bit more better. But in order to you to see what the new setup looks like, I'll be making a separate video in the future. So I'll end it right here. Thank you for watching this unboxing video of the dock today. I'll leave it right here. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.